Math Gad.
Oh, Math Gad guys, today we are going to be discussing the circle. So basically guys, today we're going to be solving a problem where we're given the equation of the circle, but we're not given the radius or the center of the circle, so we have to use that equation in order to find it. Now, let's begin. Okay guys, so in today's very short video, we're going to be taking a look at an equation that they give us. So they are asking us, what are the center and the radius of the circle with equation x plus 7 squared plus y minus 1 squared equal to 9. Okay guys, the first thing that we have to remember is the formula of the circle itself. Now, as we know from the formula of the circle, we are going to see that x minus h to the power of 2 plus y minus k to the power of 2 is going to be equal to r to the power of 2. Remembering that h and k are going to be the coordinates of our circle, right? So the center is going to be the value of h, and the y in the center is going to be our value of k, right? And our radius is going to be the square root of whatever number we have after the equal sign. So in this case, we have x plus 7 to the power of 2 plus y minus 1 to the power of 2 equals to 9, right? So in this case, right, we're going to see that minus h is equal to plus 7, which means that h is going to be equal to 7 divided by minus 1. So h is going to be minus 7. We also see that minus k is going to be equal to minus 1. So that means that k is going to be minus 1 divided by minus 1. So the value of k is going to be positive 1, right? And then r to the power of 2 is going to be 9, right? So r to the power of 2 is 9. R is equal to the square root of 9 because we're not allowed negatives here. So r is going to be a value of 3. Now, we have found that the center of this circle is going to be on h equal to minus 7, so it's going to be on x equal to minus 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going to be on 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's going to be on positive 1. Right? So the center is supposed to be somewhere around here, right? In our coordinate plane. And now our r is going to be of 3, right? So it's going to be up until here, and we're gonna have our circle. Now guys, that is pretty useful, that whenever we have the formula, we're already basically given the center and the radius. We just have to remember to take that square root. And that's basically it for today, guys. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!